Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best bumper crack repair is probably one of the most cost-effective ways to fix those unsightly bumper cracks. These kits offer a convenient and affordable solution for restoring your bumper's appearance and structural integrity. Whether your bumper is plastic, fiberglass, or another material, these kits provide the necessary tools and materials to get the job done, saving you from expensive replacements. Number 5. Allturn Plastic Welder Kit, Car Bumper Repair. This is the Allturn Plastic Welder Kit, a 2-in-1 solution for plastic repair. It's designed to fix various plastic items, making it a versatile tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional. The kit comes with a 110V100W plastic welder, essential accessories, and a variety of welding rods and staples. You'll find everything you need in the included black tool bag to get started on your repairs. The M6 and M8 tips are for auxiliary use only. Avoid continuous use, let it cool down after 5 minutes of operation to ensure safety and extend its lifespan. Always prioritize safety when using this tool. It's easy to use. After loading the staples, it takes only seconds to reach high temperatures. After a few practice runs, you'll be ready to tackle plastic repairs with confidence. This welder can repair all thermoplastics, from car bumpers to water tanks. It's perfect for DIY projects and fixing everyday plastic items, giving you a wide range of applications. The power cord is UL certified, and the welder has overheating protection. It also features a stylish patented design, ensuring both safety and a unique look. What we like. This kit has a unique, patented design, setting it apart from the rest. It can handle a wide range of thermoplastics, making it versatile for various repairs. If you're looking for a tool that combines style with safety, this is the one for you. What people say. 100W is more than enough, staple gets red hot in less than 5 seconds. Worked flawlessly on my first application, broken swivel on headphones, sun sat on them, first pick. This product heats up quickly, and by using one of the 3 included tips, I was able to weld HDPE plastic easily. The light at the end of the welder tells you that it's still working, and when it no longer lights up, the welder needs to cool down. Number 4. ATOLS Plastic Welder Kit for Car Bumper Repair. This kit repairs at least 98% of plastics. It's perfect for bumpers, dashboards, and more. It's a versatile solution for various plastic repair needs. Select the right staples, insert them, and press the button. In seconds, it heats up, melting the staples into the plastic. A built-in light makes the process easier and safer. The stainless steel staples won't rust, and there are 6 types to choose from. The wavy design maximizes load-bearing capacity, restoring parts and extending their life. The staples weld quickly and easily. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your palm. The rubber handle provides a secure grip, so you won't get tired. It's quick and easy to operate. This plastic repair kit includes everything you need. It comes with a welder, pliers, a carry case, and various staple types. It's a complete solution for plastic repair on the go. What we like. The kit heats up in seconds, allowing you to quickly get to work. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, even during extended projects. If you value convenience and ease of use, you'll appreciate how portable it is. What people say. Easy to use and does a great job. It literally does weld melt pieces together in a very controlled action. Great repair tool for doing maintenance to repair work on certain plastics that accommodate plastic heat tool repairs, arrived in great condition and worked excellent, highly recommend this seller. Number 3. Upgraded 220W Plastic Welder Bumper Repair Kit. This is the upgraded plastic welder, designed for efficient and durable plastic repairs. It boasts more power and heats up faster than other models, ensuring a strong and lasting fix. Made with high-quality metal and plastic, this welder is built to last. The stainless steel staples prevent rust, and the overheating protection ensures safe operation. This makes the repair process easy and safe. The kit includes everything you need for various repairs. It comes with different types of hot staples, welding rods, and essential tools. This comprehensive kit is designed to strengthen and repair most cracked plastic parts without damaging the vehicle's surface. Using the welder is simple. Select the right staples or rods, insert the brass bracket, and press the power button. After welding, use the included tools to smooth the surface. The built-in headlamp is convenient for dark working environments. This 2-in-1 kit includes 800 hot staples and 30 welding rods, providing ample supplies for various projects. It's suitable for repairing all plastic parts of automobiles and daily plastic supplies. We also provide the best after-sales service. What we like. This kit boasts a high power output for faster and more effective repairs. It comes with a wide array of accessories, ensuring you have everything you need. If you're tackling larger projects or need a complete solution, it will be your best choice. What people say. It heats up very quickly and is easy to use. This comprehensive set, complete with 800 hot staples, 2 pp plastic welding rods, a knife, and plier, provided everything I needed to address the damage effectively. The welder itself is a marvel in terms of power and control. At 150 watts, it heats up quickly, maintains a consistent temperature, and allows for precise melting and manipulation of plastic. Number 2. 220W Plastic Welder Kit for Car Bumper Repair. This 220W plastic welder heats up in just 1 to 3 seconds. It's faster and more energy efficient than many other models. This allows you to complete repairs quickly and efficiently. The kit comes with 1000 hot staples and 92 plastic welding rods. These rods are suitable for various plastic surfaces. You can easily weld and reassemble damaged plastic parts, saving you time and effort. This is perfect for repairing modern plastic products, especially in cars. It's great for bumpers, dashboards, and lamp holders. It helps you save both time and money on maintenance. Simply choose a staple, insert it, and press the power button. After a few seconds, the staples will melt into the plastic. Then, remove it and cut off the excess. This 2-in-1 function makes your work more professional. The kit includes a plastic welding gun, spatula, staples, welding rods, aluminum sheets, wire mesh, sponge sheets, pliers, a utility knife, and a suitcase. If any parts are missing, please contact us through your order. What we like. This kit heats up in a flash, saving you valuable time. It includes a variety of plastic welding rods, making it suitable for different materials. If you're focused on car repairs and want a quick, efficient solution, this is the perfect option. What people say. It is a very well-rounded kit with enough wire staples for dozens if not hundreds of repairs. The gun heats the staples quickly and the 2 included smoothing attachments seem to heat up and work as expected. 5 sheets of 6x8 very fine mesh stainless screens which should make exceptionally strong repairs. Number 1. Plastic Welding Machine Car Bumper Repair Kit. This innovative kit is designed to meet all your plastic repair needs. It can easily weld cracked and damaged plastic parts, making DIY repairs easier and more cost-effective. The ergonomically designed handle ensures comfortable use, even during extended periods. This feature makes your work more convenient, fast, and accurate, allowing you to quickly and easily weld staples into the plastic. The kit comes with 6 different types of hot staples, totaling 1050 pieces, to meet various repair needs. You can learn to use it in seconds without any special training. After curing, it's waterproof and can be polished or painted. This kit is ideal for repairing most modern plastic products. It's suitable for repairing and reinforcing plastic parts in automobiles, such as bumpers, dashboards, and lamp holders, as well as daily plastic supplies. The kit includes 1050 hot staples, a plier, a plastic welding machine, and a suitcase. It provides everything you need to tackle a variety of plastic repairs with different shapes. Plus, you'll receive attentive service. What we like. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. It's incredibly easy to operate, even for beginners. If you're looking for a user-friendly kit that can handle a variety of plastic repairs, this is the one for you. What people say. Works great. Have used it to repair fairings on a motorcycle and scooter. Simple design and only the staple heats up. I'm very impressed with how well it worked repairing an ABS motorcycle fairing, it and along with ABS plastic cement by OTI. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.